Hello, my name is Miguel Mendoza, and some time ago I visited the state of Tamaulipas. I chose this place because I wanted to spend time with my family and get to know different for Mexico. The shared day is beautiful and the time very good almost all time. One of my favorite places was Miramar Beach because it was very calm and safe. There are not many green areas in city, but the Aldama cenote was amazing, very big and impressive. During my trip, have traveled by bus and steam and relativity house for 5 days. Most of the day and even at night it was very good, but that didn't stop us from having fun. I went out with my kind to water parks where they main fun games and activities. We all enjoyed local food which was very delicious. One of the most exciting experiences Japan with we went camping. While while we were there, an scenic suddenly came off the trees. It was a very strange moment, but fortunately, in the day bite a new bone. After that, we laugh about it, but and the moment is us reality tints. People in Tamaulipas usually enjoyed outdoor activities despite the heat. They often go to the beach or spend time with family. Right now, many people are probably enjoying the northern relaxing near the sea. Overall, high reality likes this trip because I have a lot of nap, creative green memories with my family. It was an afterfall experience, and I would definitely like to repeat in the future.